So here we are, guys. Vlog 1, room 3202. Let's do a room tour. Okay, that's me. When you enter this room, it's stunning, actually. Absolutely stunning. You've got, are these all wardrobe space? Okay, so you've got safe there, lots of shelving, and then I presume wardrobe. Oh, it's even got lights in there. Love that. Ironing board, iron. Perfect. Extra pillow. What's in the end cupboard?
More storage.
More storage. Floor to ceiling. Perfect. When we arrived, we also got a sandwich and snacks, which is lovely. Nice desk space there, and then a lounge area if you want to chill out and watch the telly. The view I'll show you in the morning, and tea and coffee making facilities are here, which is always handy. Fridge filled with drinks and snacks in there as well, below the coffee maker. And then we enter the bedroom, and it's a massive bed, huge, just like Egypt. And 2 windows. Again, can't see the view, it's pitch black outside, but I'm sure it's lovely. And then the main event, if you ask me, 2 double doors that lead to the most glamorous bathroom I have ever seen. Look at that stunning mirror, branded towels, but not only that, a huge shower with a marble bench in and 2 gorgeous branded bathrobes. Me and Ash also noticed the towels are branded, you get slippers that are branded, gorgeous sink area, vanity mirror that lights up, which I love, gorgeous mirror, 2 lights, and I love this shelving unit as well. That is so stunning, so stunning. I even like the little touches, the vase with flowers in, that really makes it for me. It's huge in here, guys. I can't actually put it into words, but yeah, it's so nice. So happy to be here. Really happy to be here. So, shall we get on with the holiday? Vlog 1, let's go.